Here are some interesting facts about World War I. The assassination that sparked the war. World War I was triggered by the assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand of Austria-Hungary and his wife Sophie on June 28, 1914, in Sarajevo, Bosnia. The assassin was Gavrilo Princip, a member of a Serbian nationalist group called the Black Hand, the Christmas Truce. In 1914, during the first Christmas of the war, an unofficial truce took place along the Western Front. Soldiers from opposing sides put down their weapons, ventured into no man's land, exchanged gifts, played football, soccer, and even sang carols together. The involvement of animals. Animals played a significant role in World War I. Horses were used extensively for transportation and cavalry charges. Pigeons carried messages between troops, and dogs served as messengers, sentries, and even ambulance dogs on the battlefield. The introduction of new weapons. World War I witnessed the introduction of devastating new weapons, including tanks, poison gas, and aircraft. This marked the first large-scale use of tanks in warfare, and poison gas caused widespread suffering and casualties. The use of propaganda. Both sides in the war utilized propaganda extensively to shape public opinion and boost morale. Posters, newspapers, and other media were used to promote patriotic fervor, recruit soldiers, and demonize the enemy. The sinking of the Lusitania. On May 7, 1915, the British passenger ship RMS Lusitania was sunk by a German submarine off the coast of Ireland, resulting in the deaths of 1,198 people, including 128 Americans. This event played a significant role in swaying public opinion against Germany and contributed to the United States' entry into the war. Trench warfare. World War I is often associated with the brutal and stagnant trench warfare that characterized much of the conflict. Soldiers lived in trenches, facing constant hardships, including unsanitary conditions, rat infestations, and the constant threat of artillery bombardment and enemy attacks. The Treaty of Versailles. The war officially ended with the signing of the Treaty of Versailles on June 28, 1919. The treaty imposed heavy reparations on Germany, redrew national borders, and established the League of Nations, which aimed to prevent future conflicts, but ultimately proved ineffective. The global impact. World War I involved nations from around the world, and its consequences were far-reaching.